Well, the drawing that you see here in front of you, when moved to the AutoCAD environment, doesn't function properly. It won't load. The reason it won't load is that forward slashes and backslashes aren't allowed in the drawing name in the AutoCAD environment. And if you look just above where I've highlighted Acacia Limelight, in this particular name here, we've got a Buxus CLR 99/96. So if I say let's go to rename it, if I take out the forward slash and replace it with a dash and go OK, so I'm renaming the block and I'm avoiding the use of forward slashes and backslashes. I'll just check as I move down through all of the blocks that are in this drawing. An awful lot of construction blocks there. I don't think there are any more, and I think if we carry on to the bottom, I can see strand-70 and so on. So it looks to me as though any block with a forward slash and backslash has now been removed, and I'll close it. And I'm confident now that if we move that drawing into the AutoCAD environment via DXF out, then the drawing will load in AutoCAD. That becomes important if you are working with, say, an architect and you want to move drawings backwards and forwards.